Hello everyone. This is the third video in the series of algebra. And in this video I will show you how to solve linear equations that are a little bit different than the ones in the previous video. It's not easy to do this by inspection, so we need the technique. And simply the technique is to collect like terms on one side. So basically you will, if you look at the first example here, you will put all the x's on one side and all the constant on one side, and then we simplify and so on. But there's one thing you need to remember. When you move a term from one side to the other, you need to change the sign. Remember that. Because this is where most of our students go wrong. So let's do this. Now, I will move all the x's to the other side. This should go there, but this is a constant value that needs to go to the other side. And now 6x stays, so I don't change the sign because I didn't move it. 3x is coming to this side, to the left hand side, it becomes minus 3x. Because it was plus, it becomes minus. Now equals 14 stays, 14, and the plus 2 will be minus 2. And now you simplify. 6x minus 3x is 3x, 14 minus 2 is 12, and now we solve it by division. We divide by 3, divide by 3. This will cancel. X will be 12 divided by 3, 4. And again, you can check this. You can check your answer by just evaluating this. So x is 4. 6 times 4, that's 24, plus 2, 26. So we have 26 on this side, on the left hand side. 3 times 4, 12, plus 14, 26. So they are equal. My answer is good. Now, let's do the second equation. It's exactly the same. 3x plus 5 equals 7x minus 31. Now, I wouldn't move the 7x to the other side because it will be negative and then I might go wrong. So I will just go with the x's on the on the right hand side and the constant here. So I will move this to the other side because the larger is positive here. It's easier. And then I will move the minus 31 to the other side. So minus 31 it becomes 31 plus 5 equals 7x didn't change, and the 3x goes to the other side, it will be minus 3x. Now, 7x minus 3x is 4x equals 31 plus 5, that's 36. And now you divide by 4, x, this cancels, x will be 36 divided by 4 is 9. And that's your answer. You can use the same technique to check. Let's go to the next one. Again, I will move minus 5x to the other side, and the 3 will go to this side. So 2x stays, minus 5x will be plus 5x equals 74 did not change, but minus 3 changed its location, so it will be plus 3. Now, 2x plus 5x, that's 7x equals 74 plus 3 is 77, and then you divide by 7, x will be 11. You can check this and prove that your answer is correct. Now, the next example is something with brackets. So you need to expand and then use the same technique. So let's expand. 2 times x is 2x, 2 times 3 is plus 6, and there you go, equals 3 times x is 3x, 3 times minus 2 is minus 6. Now we collect like terms again. So I will send the 2 to the 3 and then bring the 6 here. It's easier for me. I don't want to have the 3 to the other side, then it will be minus 3 plus 1 and then minus x, and I will get confused. So I will just send the 2x to the other side. So it will be 3x minus 2x because it was plus equals. The 6 stays, minus 6 will be plus 6. Okay? That's 12 equals x, and I am done because it's x equals 12, that's it. Now, the last example is a little bit different, but remember, when you see fraction, the first thing you should think about is cross multiplication to make it easier. But before that, even you do these brackets because now you will do multiplications and then you have more than one term. So you do these brackets so that you don't forget to multiply. And again, I do 2 over 1 and then I cross multiply. So x plus 14 times 1. So 1 x plus 14 equals 2x plus 1. And now I expand. 1 times everything is the same, so x plus 14. And then you expand this, 2x plus 2. So 2 times x, 2 times 1. And now, it's easy because I will send the x to the other side. It will be 2x minus x, and then I will send the 2 to the other side. It will be 14 minus 2, and that's 12. And this is again x. Okay? So this is how to do these simple equations. Thank you.